Hi and welcome to another Blender how-to video. In this video we're going to show you how to do add favorites. So how do you display favorites so you can get to them? You press Q. So with Q you see all these options. These are some things we've added, and I remove link materials. So the way you remove things is you right click, and then remove from quick favorites. So let's add a quick favorite. So we go to our objects. We're gonna go to, let's see, collections, relationships, constraints, track, link, transfer data here. And then we're gonna go to link materials. This is what we want. So just right click on this one and then add to favorites. And then press Q. And then you have link materials. That's pretty much it. That's how you add favorites. These are some of the options I use, but yeah, hope that helps and good luck.